What if your phone screen could heal itself? Imagine a world where scratches, cracks, and even major damages disappear on their own. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, welcome to the incredible world of self-healing materials, a groundbreaking technology that's changing everything from smartphones to bridges. Ever wondered if your car could heal its scratches overnight? Or if planes could fix tiny cracks mid-flight? Stick around because today, we're diving deep into the future of materials that literally heal themselves. Self-healing materials are substances that can automatically repair damage without the need for human intervention. They mimic biological processes, like how our skin heals a cut. These materials are designed to increase durability, reduce maintenance costs, and improve safety. Think about it. When you get a paper cut, your body sends cells to close the wound. Similarly, these materials use built-in mechanisms to fix themselves. Intrinsic healing. The material itself has properties that allow it to heal. For example, polymers with reversible bonds can reconnect when broken. Example, self-healing smartphone cases that seal scratches with heat. Extrinsic healing. These materials contain capsules or networks filled with healing agents like resin or liquid polymers. When damaged, the capsules break, releasing the agents to fill the gap. Example, self-healing concrete that fills cracks with limestone using bacteria. Self-healing materials are revolutionizing multiple industries. Here's how they're making an impact in the real world. Electronics, smartphone screens that heal minor scratches within seconds thanks to polymer coatings. Impact reduces e-waste by extending the lifespan of gadgets. Construction self-healing concrete repairs cracks using bacteria, preventing costly structural failures. Impact, safer bridges and buildings with reduced maintenance costs. Automotive car paints that repair scratches under sunlight using heat-sensitive materials. Impact minimized repair expenses for car owners. Aerospace aircraft components with self-healing properties ensure safer flights. Impact prevents catastrophic failures by addressing micro cracks during flights. In 2023, a team of researchers developed a self-healing rubber tire prototype, which could reshape the automotive industry. Imagine never worrying about a flat tire again. The secret lies in chemistry and engineering. Many self-healing materials rely on reversible chemical bonds or microcapsules filled with healing agents. When damage occurs, these bonds reform or the agents are released, filling the gap. It's like a glue stick embedded within the material, always ready to seal the damage. Of course, no technology is without its challenges. Here are some obstacles scientists are tackling. Cost self-healing materials can be expensive to produce, making them less accessible for everyday use. Durability. While they can heal minor damages, severe damage might still require replacement. Speed. Some materials take hours or even days to heal, which isn't practical for all applications. However, researchers are making incredible progress, with advances in nanotechnology and material science. These hurdles are being overcome. So, what does the future hold? The possibilities are limitless. Imagine smart infrastructure roads that repair potholes overnight, saving billions in maintenance costs. Wearable tech clothes and accessories that never tear or wear out. And healthcare self-healing implants and medical devices that reduce the need for surgeries. With ongoing research, self-healing materials could soon become as common as plastic. What would you want to see heal itself? Let us know in the comments. The future is here, and it's healing itself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic tech content.